And one more thing, today we will see, yesterday we have seen what are the basic things which I have seen like this. What are the history of Unix and Unix we have started, little history of Unix and different distributions and versions. And we have seen why is this other distributions of Unix not favored. Okay, any idea? What is the difference between those Unix flavors and Linux? Because Linux is also a flavor of Unix only. Any idea, Suresh? Yesterday I told you. Suresh.
Yes, sir.
Why there are many Linux flavors, Unix flavors? You know that yesterday I told you Unix flavors. Why?
They all
Unix
are platform specific. They run only on their specific platform. They are not open source.
Perfect. They are not open source. They are not freeware and licensed and hardware dependent. Okay, they are very hardware specific. They can't be installed in other hardware. Okay, like Intel. Intel hardware is mostly supported for Windows and all. These operating systems, server operating systems, are all hardware dependent. Okay, so we will see little of this. And today, Suresh, can I take the class till 9 o'clock today? Suraj and
Yes,
Suresh,
yes,
is it
9
okay?
o'clock. Yes.
You want it to be extended?
9
Because
is fine, sir.
why I'm asking, you know, problem is that most of the students yesterday also they were leaving after 9. I don't know why they did not inform me, but they were leaving after 9. So maybe
Okay.
they have some constraints, time constraints. So I wanted to fix up the time first only. Okay. So we will
Stop
see.
at 9.
Today we are okay. 9 is okay. So today yesterday, so I will repeat few of the things. Okay. Unix operating system. Unix operating system. Okay. This is the Unix operating system. Today's date I'm entering, Suresh, so that you have idea. Okay. Today's day I entered. Today we will be seeing yesterday's brush up. What is this Unix and a history? Unix was developed So I'm copy pasting some of the information which is important. So CUI based, it was developed in the year 1973. It is CUI based means it is character user based. Okay, it is CUI based. What does it mean? The CUI based character user, no GUI. Okay, character user based, and most important thing, it supports simple networking at that time. It is a multi-user operating system supporting networking. Okay, who has developed this Unix? Some of the questions can be raised like who has developed this Unix and where. You can see Unix was developed in C language by scientist named Dennis Ritchie. These were the programmers who actually designed this operating system. Dennis Ritchie, Ken Thompson, Brian Kernighan, Steve Ball, David Korn at AT&T Bell Labs. Okay, what is that? AT&T Bell Labs company. These scientists developed this Unix operating system way back in 1973 using C language. Scientists are the software coders name were Dennis Ritchie, Ken Thompson, Brian Kernighan, okay, Brian Kernighan, Steve Ball, David Korn, okay. So now, from the beginning, one of the important thing is, from the beginning, Unix was an open source freeware, okay. Now we will see what is the meaning of this open source. Sorry. Okay. What is a open source? Suresh, you can hear, na? Suresh, are you able to hear? Suresh,
Yes, 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 very much.
other people are leaving. Why? 1 minute. Is there any problem there from their side? Okay. What is the open source? First question, because we have mentioned it. Unix is the open source and freeware. What is open source? Answer is this. Source code of the operating system. Source code of the operating system is available for free. Available or can be accessed for free. Okay. What is a freeware? So this is the answer. Operating system can be accessed or downloaded and installed for free. I think I'm very clear with what is open source, what is freeware. Okay.
Yeah.
Is it okay? So now
Yes.
what is the open source we got to understand? What is the freeware we want to understand? Okay.
Sorry,
So,
class is getting recorded, right?
oh, I have to check my 1 minute. I'll just check. I didn't see you. Sorry. Recording कहाँ पर है option? 1 minute, man. Attendance, audience view. 1 minute, 1 minute. Yes, can. So I don't know where is the recording option. No other items. 1 minute. People can see the screen. Where is the recording option? I don't know, man. 1 minute, man. 1 minute. I don't know the recording option where it is going on. Webcam, audio, timer, material, chat. Audio. 1 minute. Audience view. Is it recording? 1 minute, man. I don't know really. Screen sharing. It is recording, man. Hello, Suresh, it
Yes,
is
sir.
recording.
Yes. Okay.
No problem. So now we are writing here. Okay. Now you got to understand what is freeware, what is that open source. Now we will see different distributions. Okay. Different distributions. Yesterday's only I am repeating because it is important. Distributions of Unix operating system. You know how the different distributions have come into being. They were not directly distributed, but they have taken by different multinational companies and modified.
Yes.
So multinational company distributions will be like this. First thing, HP company, you can write company name is HP. This is the vendor, you can say. This is the vendor. Okay, vendor. Who is going to sell these things? That is a vendor. Vendor like this. Okay. Next thing is after vendor, product. Okay, operating system. These are the things. So now we are going to see HP company has developed their operating system by taking the original Unix kernel HP UX, right or not? IBM specifically has used the operate kernel in the original Unix kernel which was submitted to them. They were taken the open source kernel and they modified and made AIX operating system. AIX. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. AT&T. What is this? AT&T Bell Labs. Very important, very big company at that time. AT&T Bell Labs it is called now also. So they modified it. System Defy Release 3. This is some version and the production. Okay. Sunsoft at that time was a company. Sunsolaris developed, and I think Sunsolaris. Okay. Okay. Few of the basic. And apart from that, Linux was later developed. Linux was developed, but not by a company. It was by a scientist or a programmer called Linus Torvalds. Okay. Torvalds something is that. Okay. So now this is the history. Okay. You have seen Unix is open source, freeware. Apart from that, multi-user, multitasking, supported networking. Okay, supported networking, free. These are the basic things. Okay. Now we will come to history of Linux operating system. Shall we go with the history of Linux operating system?
Yes, go ahead.
So now Linux operating system ka history right there. Linux operating system history and its features that we will see. Okay, first thing to be mentioned, Linux operating system. Why people are leaving, I don't know. Okay, Linux operating system was developed by as a kernel by Linus. Scientist name is, or scientist or a programmer name Linus Torvalds. Okay, first thing. So he has the first person. This Linux kernel, actually original Linux, this kernel which was developed by this person was based on a obscure Unix flavor called Minix. Okay. This kernel, after this was developed, this was then submitted to Open Soft Foundation or Open Source Foundation. This is an organization. Okay, where it was worked upon many open source enthusiasts. And user level utilities were developed. And integrated okay, I think you understood this thing.
Yes.
Okay, it was submitted some OSF, which is an open source foundation, some organization. Okay, later that it was a kernel was open source. You know that only the kernel is not the operating system. You need other utilities, device drivers, everything to be work, right or not? So
yes.
These were not developed by Torvalds. Linus Torvalds only developed the kernel and few of the utilities. It was worked upon after the kernel was submitted to this organization. This is open source. Many open source enthusiasts. You are understanding open source enthusiasts. What do you mean by open source enthusiasts? Who are actually very much ready to actually contribute freely, open source,
Correct. Correct.
to develop an operating system. So
Yes.
after few years after this kernel was developed, submitted, many scientists started to work. They started to create their utility, how to integrate totally. Then the OS was formed. Okay, then the OS was formed. So after this OS was formed, now this OS was formed. After this, what is the main? What is Linux can be called? It is the Linux. It is the most popular. It is the most popular open source variant of Unix operating system. Right or not? What can Linux be called? So what can Linux be called? You can call the Linux is the most popular open source variant, because other variants which are called here HP Unix were all not open source. You know that, right or not?
Yes. Yes.
Not
yes.
open source, not freeware, not anything, not freeware, and hardware specific. So Linux was becoming more popular because it was an open source variant of original Unix operating system. So it was taking all the properties of the original Unix operating system and it is giving us for free. That is the main advantage in the popularity of Linux operating system, right or not?
Yeah.
Most popular open source variant. Now we will see features of Unix. Features of Unix and Linux. So both can be kept. What are the features of Unix and Linux? Which is actually, so one supports. These are multi-user and multitasking operating system. Operating systems. Okay, multi-user, multitasking. Okay, open source operating system. Okay, freeware operating systems. Operating systems. Fourth, what is that? Open source, multiware, freeware, hardware, portable. You can write portable operating systems. First, CUI, GUI based operating system. What are the features which I am writing here?
Okay.
Sixth thing is portable. You can write a secure operating systems. Okay. What is secure operating system? You know that. Okay. Next, 1 minute. Secure operating system. Next, you can also mention it. CUI based, GUI based, secure, portable. These things secure, and after that, freeware, portable, secure, and what else you can write? I forgot, but then just check it. So okay, we have to see Linux का वो भी करना है. I forgot. Okay, most probably I forgot something. Linux of the most probably. Okay, open source, secure, and programming facility. Right or not? Programming facility and support. CPORT support available. Right or not? You are understanding
Yes.
what are these things? Features. So we will see in detail what are each of the things and which. Okay, I have given only the features. Apart from features, I have to write because Linux ka what are the different Linux distributions? Okay, that we have forgotten. What are the different Linux flavors? And distribution. Okay, this is what we have to do. So I will write the list different Linux flavors. There are multiple flavors starting from Apache Linux, so Red Hat Linux, Fedora Linux, Okay, Ubuntu. Ubuntu Linux. Next, Debian. It's Mandrake. Okay, Red Hat Mandrake, CentOS, Kali Linux, you can call it as Kali. Okay, 8, 9, what can we after calling? Mint Linux. Okay, Mint, CentOS, Fedora, Kali, Debian, these are the things. Okay, few of the flavors I have mentioned, distributions are mentioned. As you can see here, few of the things are mentioned. Okay, these are the different distributions, and these are also called as different Linux flavors. Okay, one of the most important thing is after the most important or most popular, okay, most popular Linux flavors among all are, what is this? This is also a question. Most popular of Linux flavor. First, Red Hat is most popular. Second, CentOS is most popular. CentOS. Third is Ubuntu. Okay, Ubuntu. Correct. Okay, these are the most popular. Why? But there are differences of the thing. And one of the important note: all the above popular flavors. Above popular Linux flavors are, all the above are supported by Red Hat only. Okay, they are from the same only. Red Hat only is distributing the CentOS, Ubuntu, and Red Hat. Differences between both things is, see here, Red Hat is a open source, is licensed version of Linux. Okay, next, Ubuntu is a freeware and open source. Next thing, CentOS. Okay, it is a freeware only. Okay, not a free open source. It is no source code, not. And Red Hat is licensed and supported. Any issue, you can actually call them licensed version. This is open source freeware, but no support. समझ में आ रहा है आपको?
Yes, sir.
No support. This is, now I think I give you clear understanding of what is Linux operating system history. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, this is the thing. Linux was actually developed by Linus Torvalds in 1991 in Minix. It was based on a Unix flavor only. That call was Minix. Using that, kernel was built. Later, the kernel was distributed to OSFR Foundation, who have worked upon it to create the complete operating system. Okay, Suresh? Okay. Why Linux? Linux is actually the most popular open source variant of the Unix operating system. Other flavors are all licensed. You know that. Different distributions are all licensed. And they are hardware specific. Okay. That's making Linux very popular. And after the Linux got developed, they started to, because it is open source and freeware, most of other different organizations like Apache, Red Hat have taken over modified the content and developed their own Linux operating systems in their name. These are the different options. And after these are the few mentioned, there are hundreds of other distributions also. Some are famous, some are not famous. Okay, Suresh? Okay, so
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
most of the, among all these things, among all the different flavors which I mentioned, most popular are Red Hat, CentOS, Ubuntu. And among these Red Hat, Ubuntu, all these things are actually managed or supported by Red Hat team only. Company Red Hat is only managing CentOS, Ubuntu, and all that. They are paying for that. Okay. In that, if you are taking the Red Hat, the vendor is Red Hat. The OS is licensed version and supported. Means you can get support for the issues, bugs, and all that are corrected. Updates are coming. Okay. If you are selecting the Ubuntu OS, you can download it for free. Open source means your source code can be modified, but no support. Okay. If it is CentOS, it is freeware. It can be downloaded freely, but no support. Now you got the difference between the different variants, Suresh.
Yes, sir.
And apart from that, what are the features of Unix and Linux, which I have mentioned clearly? Multi-user multitasking, open source, freeware, portable, CUI and GUI based, secure programming facility, that is called shell scripting. That is shell scripting support available. Okay. Now we will see what are the different things, multi-user and multitasking and other subjects. So first option, multi-user and multitasking. Okay, what is multi-user and multitasking? See here. Okay, both Windows and Linux are both multi-user multitasking. What is multi-user and multitasking? You can tell. Multiple users can work. That is only the thing, na?
Yes, yes.
Okay, you know what is the meaning of multi-user? What is the meaning of multitasking? And
Yes,
which
yes.
OS are supported? Both. This is common for. This is common for which OS? Windows OS also is a multi-user and multitasking. Like Windows NT, you know that yesterday you asked. Windows and Linux. Multi-user, multitasking. Both Windows users and Linux operating system are both. That is common. Second, we are going to check it for open source and freeware. Source. Open source and freeware. Okay. Examples are, what is open source? You know the definition. Freeware, you know the definition. Which operating support? Okay. Only Linux. Only Linux is example of a open source and freeware. Right or not? Right or not? Next comes portability. Portability. Example, Linux is a portable. Why? What is the portability meaning? It can be on any hardware platform. Okay, hardware platform. It can be. Okay, example, Linux is the most portable. It can work on Intel machine. It can work on different hardware types. Okay, server hardware, client hardware, everywhere. Linux, but Windows is not portable. Note. I am writing. Windows not a portable operating system. Okay, Windows is not a portable operating system. Why? Because it works on Intel hardware only. Okay, portability we have seen. Next, fourth one, CUI and GUI. What is CUI based? Support for. Okay, CUI based. Example, Linux is a CUI and GUI based. based, okay, but Windows is GUI based only. Now next thing, most of the thing, programming facility. What is this programming? First we'll see security, secure OS. Okay, what is this? Linux. Example, Linux is a secure OS. Is a secure OS. What is the security? Okay, Linux supports 3 levels of security. Okay, what are those 3 levels of security? First, user level. Okay, what is user level security? Second, file level permission. Third, after file level permission, third, built firewall. With SE Linux. Okay, any idea what is this inbuilt firewall and SE Linux? Anybody? Shrikant, can you tell me? Unmute and tell me. Shrikant, you can unmute.
Yes, sir.
What is this?
Hello?
Are you understanding, Shrikant? Are you understanding?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Am I clear? Is there any confusion?
सर कर्नल क्या होता है सर? वो आपने कर्नल बोला था वो.
हाँ, वो आएगा अभी 2 मिनट में आने वाला है. लिनक्स का ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम का कंपोनेंट समझाने के टाइम में समझाऊंगा. अभी आएगा 2 मिनट. जस्ट
ओके सर.
आफ्टर 5 मिनट्स यू आर गोइंग टू टेल. हाँ, टेल मी.
CUI और GUI क्या है?
Oh, you have no idea about all these things, sir, because this is the second demo session. Okay, sorry, I didn't know that you don't know. Sorry. Okay.
Okay sir.
CUI क्या होता है, GUI होता है. समझाऊंगा, अभी समझाऊंगा, प्रैक्टिकली दिखाऊंगा अभी. श्रीकांत जी 2 मिनट में आएगा आपको. 2 मिनट में प्रैक्टिकल दिखाने वाला हूँ. ये इसका क्या, ये क्या है, ये फीचर्स क्या है, एक एक प्रैक्टिकल दिखाने वाला हूँ. ओके, 2 मिनट.
नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके
సో see here, now you have seen security. సురేష్ గారు, సెక్యూరిటీ అర్థమైందా అండి? Suresh, have you understood security?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Okay, now see, after security, next thing which you wanted to is, after security, next thing is security. You have to mention other properties. What is this programming facility? Okay, what is this programming facility? Programming facility. In Linux is supported through shell scripting. Okay, next thing, shell scripting bhi dikhaunga, don't worry, everything will come. Okay, this is only common to shell scripting, is common to Linux only. Linux only. Other operating system, Windows doesn't have shell scripting. Seventh thing, what is it? Support. Okay, what is it? Support means in case of any issue with Linux operating system, okay, like Red Hat, Puppet, we will get support. We will get support. Okay, we will get support. Like example, what is that? Like example, it can be patches, operating system patches, updates like OS updates and OS patches. or even direct support. Okay, Suresh Garu, understanding? Both Linux so am I clear, Suresh? So देखते हैं सुरेश अर्थమైందా?
అర్థమైంది సార్.
So now we are going to see these things, sir. Shrikant sir, now see what is the thing. See Shrikant, see.
Yes, sir.
So Shrikant, just I am repeating for your case because I don't know, you didn't understand all these things. You are new, okay? I am just coming. Shrikant, any operating system knowledge and other things? Any operating system in?
Only use Windows, sir. Windows.
Okay. Okay. See here, Shrikant, today I have started with this content. See, we are now first just for you, Shrikant, I'm just brushing up the things, and practically I will show you what is kernel, what is CUI, what is GUI, everything I'll show today, practical. So see here, first we are talking about a Unix. Okay, Shrikant, Unix is an operating system which was developed way back in 1973. Okay, Unix was an operating system developed way back in 1973. Okay, why we are talking about Unix operating system in Linux administration class? Because though Linux is an operating system we are currently using, Unix is the father to all these operating systems. Okay, Linux and other operating systems were actually based on Unix operating system and then developed. Okay, so we have to talk about Unix operating system. Unix operating system was developed in 1973, way back in 1973. It was the first operating system to be totally coded in C language. Okay, it was the first operating system. C language was newly developed in 1970s. So this Unix operating system was totally coded. Coded means you programmed in using C language. C language. Okay, you know C language. You may have heard C programming language. Using that programming language, operating system was coded. That version that coded way back in 1963, not the current Unix version, it was called the core version. Core means starting version. Okay, and one of the most important features of that Unix operating system was at that time it supported networking. Okay, it was not a standalone. Networking support का मतलब है you can connect to 2 or more computers and share your data. Okay, you can communicate from one computer to another computer. Okay, you can communicate from one computer to another computer using network. Okay, that was supported. It is a CUI based. So you have just asked me, Shrikant has asked me what is CUI based. CUI based operating systems look like this. See, Shrikant, already we have installed this operating system. This operating system installation will come in the later classes. Just see this. This is the CUI based. Whenever you want to do any task, Shrikant, any task you wanted to do, you give commands to the computer and commands are typed directly on the terminal. You can see IP address is 74.164. So CUI operating systems will look like this, Shrikant. See. So you can see here I am logging into that system root Rajesh. Okay, as you can see here my terminal has come up. Shrikant, can you see this? This is a CUI based character user interface. No GUI, no graphical. Shrikant, understanding? You can unmute. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is the CUI based operating system. Have you got the answer for the CUI based?
Yes, sir. Yes.
This is a CUI based. What is the GUI based then? Okay, CUI based are like this. GUI based best example is Windows operating system. You can see here Windows operating system. This is my GUI. Anything you wanted to do, no need to give commands, typing the commands. You have to just click it on this, like this Windows open. Okay, if you wanted to open videos, you can open with a click. If you wanted to open network, you can open like this. Okay, this is a GUI based operating. Okay, Shrikant. So this is the difference between a CUI and GUI. Now we are going to see. Next thing. Now you understood what is a CUI, what is a GUI operating system. What is CUI? I am writing the full form of CUI operating system for Srikanth sake. CUI stands for Character User Interface. Okay, what does it stand for? Character User Interface. Unix operating system developed in 1963. At that time, there was no GUI, graphical no, character only. It supported networking. Okay. Apart from that, most important feature at that time operating system 1973 kind of multi-user. What is a multi-user operating system, Srikanth? Srikanth.
Yes, sir.
What is a multi-user operating system, Srikanth?
At the time, using multiple user unit tasks.
Okay, you can't. Don't unmute. Okay, don't mute. You be interactive session है ये. Mute मत करिए.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Multi-user means more than a single user can log in into the system and work. Okay. That is the
Yes,
most
sir.
important. Okay. That is the most. And this Unix was developed. कहाँ पर develop किया? किसने develop किया? Developed in C language by the scientist called Dennis Ritchie, which I have mentioned here. Dennis Ritchie is one of the fellow. Ken Thompson, Brian Cunningham, Steve Bond, David Kahn at AT&T Bell Labs was a company in USA. This operating system was developed. Okay, and one of the main things of the Unix operating system from the start was freeware and open source. Okay, freeware and open source. इसके बारे में तुमको आज पता नहीं है. Any idea what is a freeware and open source, Srikanth?
The open source it's not required license.
Okay, open source means freeware means no license. So what is that, Srikanth? I'll tell you. Freeware is the operating system where you can access the operating system free of cost. No need to pay any license fee to any other company. You just can download it, install it on your yourself. Okay, that is a freeware. Means no need to pay for anything. What is the open source is instead of just not downloading it freely, source code means programming content, program code using which it was developed, C program code using which the operating system was developed, that is available for free to access and modify. That is the meaning of a open source. Okay, Srikanth. Okay, now we are seeing what are the different distributions of operating system of Unix. HP, HPUX, IBM, AIX. What is it? HP is a company which has developed the operating system on the basis of Unix only. Okay, HP company, Hewlett-Packard, has developed the operating system in the format of Unix only, but the name was HPUX. Okay, HPUX is the operating system developed by Hewlett-Packard. IBM company has taken the same operating system, original Unix operating system, modified it because it is an open source create, modified it accordingly and developed and released as AIX operating system. Okay, Sunsoft was developed the operating system in the name of Sun Solaris, very important. Okay, now we have seen Linux का history. श्रीकांत जी, लिनक्स का हिस्ट्री पता है आपको? श्रीकांत?
नहीं सर, नहीं.
लिनक्स का हिस्ट्री पता है आपको?
नहीं सर.
ओके, यूनिक्स का तो समझ में आ गया, यूनिक्स का हिस्ट्री समझ में आ गया?
यस सर, यस सर.
ओके, यूनिक्स के बाद क्या है ना, व्हाई वी आर ऑल प्रिफरिंग लिनक्स में, लिनक्स क्या हुआ 1991 में एक पर्सन लिनक्स ट्रैवल्ड हेलसिंकी यूनिवर्सिटी में एक कर्नल तैयार किया, कर्नल को क्रिएट किया, लिनक्स का कर्नल. यू विल नो व्हाट इज दिस कर्नल लेटर, बट टाइमिंग कर्नल इज द कोर ऑफ द ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. ओके, आप जस्ट पूछ रहे थे कर्नल क्या है, कर्नल क्या है. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इंटरनली इज मेड अप 3 कंपोनेंट्स. एक होता है कर्नल, दूसरा होता है शेल, उसके ऊपर यूटिलिटी. श्रीकांत जी, समझ में आ रहा है आपको?
Yes, sir. Yes,
so
sir.
what is the kernel you are asking na? Kernel is the core component of operating system. आप next classes में आएंगे actually. पर आपके लिए बता रहा हूँ, कर्नल इज द कोर कंपोनेंट ऑफ लिनक्स ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम विच डायरेक्टली इंटरैक्ट्स विद द हार्डवेयर। श्रीकांत जी समझ में आया? ऐसे दिखता है कर्नल। क्या आप ये फिगर को देख पा रहे हैं सर?
यस सर, यस सर।
सर यहाँ पर देखिए, आप कभी लैपटॉप खरीदे थे, नहीं तो डेस्कटॉप खरीदते हैं जाके शॉप में, है ना सर? श्रीकांत जी, आप लैपटॉप खरीदेंगे, डेस्कटॉप खरीदेंगे, हाँ, आपके घर के लिए।
ओके सर।
ओके, देन हार्डवेयर ओनली कम्स। व्हाट इज हार्डवेयर सर? हार्डवेयर का मतलब कीबोर्ड, माउस, स्क्रीन, ये सभी आता है, मदरबोर्ड, राइट और नॉट सर? ये तो पता है आपको?
यस
हाँ,
सर, यस।
ओके, ये हार्डवेयर कहाँ पर काम करता है सर? हार्डवेयर का लैंग्वेज होता है बाइनरी, इट अंडरस्टैंड्स ओनली जीरोस एंड वंस, राइट और नॉट सर?
यस सर।
ओके, बट हार्डवेयर के लिए काम करने के लिए हम एज ए यूजर वी कैन नॉट स्पीक बाइनरी लैंग्वेज, राइट और नॉट श्रीकांत?
यस सर।
तो ये हार्डवेयर से कम्युनिकेट करने के लिए क्या चाहिए हमको सर? ये हार्डवेयर जो बाइनरी लैंग्वेज बात करता है उसको कम्युनिकेट करने के लिए हमको क्या चाहिए?
मीडिएटर चाहिए।
हाँ, right, now you understood na? Hardware understands binary language. User, as you are giving instructions to computer to do something, that instructions are in English, right or not sir?
यस सर।
So ये इन बीच में कन्वर्जन कौन करता है सर? आपका हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज इज कन्वर्टेड टू बाइनरी, हु इज गोइंग टू डू दिस सर? श्रीकांत, ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इज गोइंग टू डू सर।
यस सर।
ओके, एंड यहाँ पर देखिए हार्डवेयर के ऊपर देखो, ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इज मेड अप ऑफ कर्नल, शेल एंड यूटिलिटी। ये आप है, यूजर 1 इज आप, यूजर 2 इज मी, यूजर 3 सुरेश। ओके, ये इंस्ट्रक्शंस दे रहे हैं, इंस्ट्रक्शंस आर इन हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज। समझ में आ गया श्रीकांत जी? इंस्ट्रक्शंस आर इन हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज। These high level language should be converted to low level language to communicate with the hardware. Who is going to do this? Operating system is acting as an interface between user and the hardware. समझ में आ गया श्रीकांत?
यस सर, यस।
So, and ये कर्नल क्या है, शेल क्या है ना? ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इंटरनली इज मेड अप ऑफ 3 कंपोनेंट्स। आप देख सकते हो, कर्नल, हार्डवेयर के ऊपर कर्नल बैठा हुआ है, कर्नल बैठा हुआ है हार्डवेयर के, उसके ऊपर शेल है, उसके ऊपर लेवल है यूटिलिटीज एंड एप्लीकेशन। समझ में आ गया सर कर्नल क्या होता है? एंड व्हेनेवर यू आर इंस्टॉलिंग द ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इंस्टॉल करने के टाइम में कर्नल, शेल और यूटिलिटी तीनों इंस्टॉल होते हैं।
ओके सर।
ओके, एनी डाउट? क्लैरिटी आ गई?
यस सर, आ गया। सर ये तीनों का फंक्शन अलग अलग रहता क्या?
हाँ, तीनों का फंक्शन अलग है, वो भी आएगा नेक्स्ट क्लास में। अभी ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम और स्टार्टिंग में ही है, एक एक कंपोनेंट क्या करता है, उसके रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या है, कर्नल के रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या है, शेल के रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या है, सब कुछ आएगा सर। बट एक बाय एक आएगा, अभी टाइम नहीं है उसका, नेक्स्ट क्लास में आएगा।
यस सर।
ओके, आर यू फाइन? आर यू क्लियर विद द कॉन्सेप्ट्स एंड ऑल?
यस सर, गॉट इट।
Okay. Now we have seen what is a kernel and all the things. Okay. Later classes we'll understand more about it. So now see, sir, अब तक मैं आपको दिखा रहा था इसके बारे में, मैं अब तक आपको दिखा रहा था इसके बारे में। See, ये लिनक्स का हिस्ट्री समझ में आ गया। लिनक्स का हिस्ट्री समझने के बाद आपको ये जानना है लिनक्स के फ्लेवर्स क्या है सर। मतलब बहुत से लिनक्स के फ्लेवर्स है सर, लाइक आइसक्रीम में फ्लेवर्स होते हैं, लिनक्स भी बहुत से टाइप के फ्लेवर्स है सर। अपाची लिनक्स है, रेड हैट एक लिनक्स का फ्लेवर है। मतलब ये डिफरेंट कंपनीज और डिफरेंट पर्सन्स ने क्रिएट किया हुआ है, बट base is all Linux only, sir. Srikant ji, base is all Linux only, but developed in a different way by different companies or different people. Okay, Srikant.
ओके सर.
So उसमें से बहुत मोस्ट पॉपुलर है ये है. लिनक्स के मोस्ट पॉपुलर थिंग्स पर रेड हैट, सेंटोस, यूबंटू. ये बहुत पॉपुलर है सर. लाइक ऑल आइसक्रीम्स, बहुत से आइसक्रीम्स होते हैं, उसमें थोड़े आइसक्रीम्स बहुत फेमस होते हैं. ऐसे ही लिनक्स में भी थोड़े फ्लेवर्स बहुत फेमस है. उसमें वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग रेड हैट कंपनी का फ्लेवर, लिनक्स ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम फ्रॉम रेड हैट कंपनी. सेकेंड ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम फ्रॉम सेंटोस कंपनी. ओके. थर्ड ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम आप उनके इसके बारे में सुना होगा, यूबंटू. आपने कभी सुना है श्रीकांत जी?
यस सर, यस सर.
ओके. सो और अभी मैंने क्या दिखाया था, फीचर्स ऑफ लिनक्स एंड यूनिक्स सर. ये लिनक्स एंड यूनिक्स के फीचर्स क्या है, ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम क्या कर पाता है. ओके. मल्टी यूजर मल्टीटास्किंग, इसका मतलब आप जानते हो?
यस सर.
ओके. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ ओपन सोर्स, श्रीकांत?
यस सर.
what is the meaning of open source?
सर
Okay, I will tell you, no problem. See sir, मल्टी यूजर मल्टीटास्किंग का मतलब एक एक समझा रहा हूँ, फिर आपके लिए रिपीट कर रहा हूँ. मल्टी यूजर का मतलब मल्टीपल पर्सन. श्रीकांत हो, सुरेश हो, राजेश हो, दुर्गा सॉफ्ट हो, कोई भी हो. मल्टीपल यूजर्स एक ही टाइम में लॉग इन कर पाएंगे, ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम के अंदर काम कर पाएंगे. मल्टीपल यूजर्स का मतलब मल्टीपल यूजर्स, मोर देन a single user can work on the operating system at the same time. Okay, it can be even 100,000, even lakhs of students also, lakhs of people can work, log in. मल्टीटास्किंग का मतलब क्या होता है? स्मॉल एग्जांपल, सपोज आपने लॉग इन किया, श्रीकांत जी आपने लिनक्स में लॉग इन किया, आप अपना प्रोजेक्ट कर सकते हो, प्रोजेक्ट का काम करोगे वहां पर, प्रोजेक्ट का काम. एट द सेम टाइम आप इंटरनेट को खोल के कुछ सर्फिंग भी कर सकते हो. ओके, लाइक दैट यू कैन डू मल्टीपल टास्क. इसका मतलब नहीं है एक यूजर एक टाइम में एक ही काम करना चाहिए, मल्टीपल काम कर सकते हो. इसको बोलते हैं मल्टीटास्किंग.
यस सर.
ओके. ओपन सोर्स का मतलब क्या होता है ना सर? ओपन सोर्स का मतलब सॉफ्टवेयर का कोड. सपोज आपने कुछ प्रोडक्ट डेवलप किया, आपने एक ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम डेवलप किया अपने आप से, और उसको ओपन सोर्स का मतलब होता है ये प्रोडक्ट को जो कोड को डेवलप किया आपने, ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम का कोड, कोई भी कोडिंग, वो फ्री में इंटरनेट में बांट दिया है, फ्री में दे दिया है किसी को भी. प्रोडक्ट को नहीं दिया, प्रोडक्ट का कोड जो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम का कोड होता है उसको भी फ्री में दे दिया, उसको बोलते हैं ओपन सोर्स.
यस सर.
एंड फ्रीवेयर का मतलब जो प्रोडक्ट आप डाउनलोड कर रहे हैं उसके लिए पैसा पे करने की जरूरत नहीं है, नो नीड टू पे.
ओके सर.
ओके. पोर्टेबिलिटी का मतलब क्या जानते हो? व्हाट इज पोर्टेबिलिटी, श्रीकांत?
सर पोर्टेबिलिटी इज मतलब कहीं पे भी इंस्टॉल हो सकता है, मतलब उसको हार्डवेयर मतलब ये नहीं रहता है.
करेक्ट करेक्ट. इसका मतलब है वो कोई भी हार्डवेयर प्लेटफॉर्म, कोई भी इंटेल हार्डवेयर हो, AMD हो और कुछ और भी, वहां पर इंस्टॉल हो जाएगा. ओके. CUI बेस्ड, GUI बेस्ड का मतलब बताइए.
मतलब सर वो कैरेक्टर बेस है, मतलब
हाँ
टाइप करना पड़ता है, कमेंट देना पड़ता है.
हाँ, वो बोले.
और
ओके.
GUI तो ग्राफिकल यूजर इंटरफेस.
हाँ राइट.
क्लिक करना पड़ता है.
ओके. ओके. सिक्योरिटी का मतलब जानते हो सर? सिक्योरिटी इन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, व्हाट इज ए सिक्योर OS?
सिक्योरिटी मतलब डेटा को डेटा सिक्योर होता है. तो
हाँ, स्मॉल एग्जांपल श्रीकांत जी अबाउट सिक्योरिटी, बिकॉज आप पूछ रहे. सी व्हेनेवर वी आर वर्किंग, श्रीकांत जी व्हेनेवर वी आर वर्किंग इन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, आप कुछ प्रोजेक्ट डेवलप कर रहे हैं, 4 लोग 5 लोग मिलकर प्रोजेक्ट डेवलप कर रहे हैं. ओके. सडनली क्या हुआ, वो विंडोज ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है, सडनली उसमें वायरस आ गया और पूरा ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम क्रैश हो गया. श्रीकांत जी वायरस आ गया वायरस आ गया और ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम क्रैश हो गया, सो आपका डेटा रहेगा, प्रोजेक्ट डेटा गया है,
नहीं रहेगा सर।
नहीं गएगा। अगर वो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम सिक्योरिटी नहीं प्रोवाइड करता है, तुम्हारे डेटा के लिए सिक्योरिटी नहीं रहता। अगर आपने एक प्रोजेक्ट डेवलप किया है, वो हैकर ने हैक कर दिया ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम को, क्या होगा? क्या आपका ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम रहेगा? तुम्हारा आपका प्रोजेक्ट रहेगा?
नहीं सर।
तो ये सब के लिए तुम्हारा डेटा जो भी है, यूजर ने कोई भी डेटा क्रिएट कर रहा है, उसको सिक्योर करने के लिए ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम अपने आप से कुछ फीचर्स प्रोवाइड करता है। ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम थोड़े फीचर्स प्रोवाइड करता है, लाइक लिनक्स में 3 लेवल के फीचर्स है सिक्योरिटी के। यूजर लेवल सिक्योरिटी, इसका मतलब यूजर लेवल सिक्योरिटी, यूजर लेवल सिक्योरिटी का मतलब है ओनली ऑथेंटिकेटेड यूजर, जिसके पास यूजर नेम और पासवर्ड है, वो लोग ही लॉग इन कर पाएंगे। ओके, जिसके बाद यूजर नेम एंड पासवर्ड होता है, वही ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम में लॉग इन कर पाएंगे। सेकेंड वर्स फाइल लेवल परमिशन। ओके, जो कोई भी डेटा, श्रीकांत जी, आप जो भी डेटा आप उस ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम में क्रिएट करते हैं, वो डेटा आपके लिए ही एक्सेस होगा, दूसरे लोग उसको डेटा को पढ़ नहीं पाएंगे, एक्सेस नहीं कर पाएंगे। ओके ओके श्रीकांत, अंडरस्टैंडिंग? थर्ड इज फायरवॉल बिल्ट इन। ये फायरवॉल क्या है? यहाँ पर देखिए, विंडोज में फायरवॉल नहीं होता है, मेरे पास थर्ड पार्टी फायरवॉल यूज कर रहा हूँ। ये देखिए, ये मेरा फायरवॉल है, ये एप्लीकेशन है जो मेरे को इंटरनेट में अदर इश्यूज से बचाता है। लिनक्स में ये फायरवॉल फ्री में मिलता है। आपको समझ में आ रहा है? लिनक्स में ये फायरवॉल फ्री में मिलता है। समझ में आ गया? सुरेश, एम आई क्लियर? सुरेश, एम आई क्लियर? सुरेश,
Yes, sir.
so you understood what are the different properties of these things? These things: security, programming facility, support, and all. Can we see this practicality one? Suresh.
Yes, yes.
So now you see. See, multi-user multitasking I'm showing. First CUI based, GUI based. See here. This is single user who is logged in. What is it logged in? Who am I? So this is the thing. This is the user logged in. Now I am logging as the same router using the duplicate session. Same user root RAJESH password के साथ दे रहा हूँ. Now this fellow is logged in. Who is logged in? Who am I? You can see multiple users, not a single user. So next login I am also showing you. This is called multi-user multitasking. Rajesh G RAJESH. See, Rajesh is logged in. Multiple users. There are other users also. See, root Rajesh G. I am logging as Rajesh G. See. How many users are logged in, man? According to Srikant? Srikant जी, कितने users logged in हो गए अभी?
2 यूजर हुए।
4 users login हो गए। यहाँ पर आपको इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगा, यूजर कितने लॉगिन हो गए सर? देखिए
4।
सर, कितने यूजर्स लॉगिन हो गए? देखिए 4 यूजर्स, 8 यूजर्स। इसका मतलब क्या होता है सर? मोर देन ए यूजर इज कनेक्टिंग मींस उसका मतलब क्या होता है सर? मल्टी यूजर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, राइट और नॉट?
यस सर।
ओके, मल्टी यूजर का नाम समझ में आ गया आपको?
यस सर। यस।
ओके, नेक्स्ट थिंग, नो थिंग, पोर्टेबिलिटी तो समझ में आ गया। हार्डवेयर, एनी हार्डवेयर प्लेटफॉर्म पे काम करेगा लिनक्स। ओके, ओपन सोर्स एंड फ्रीवेयर का तो समझा गया। ओपन सोर्स का मतलब सोर्स कोड ऑफ द ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम फ्रीली अवेलेबल। CUI बेस्ड, GUI बेस्ड समझ में आ गया आपको?
यस सर।
CUI बेस्ड, GUI बेस्ड। ओके, नाउ आप देखते हैं ये सिक्योरिटी क्या होती है। ओके, सपोर्ट क्या होती है, सिक्योरिटी क्या होती है, ये देखते हैं। सो नाउ यू कैन सी यहाँ पर मैं लॉगिन हुआ है रूट यूजर की तरह। ओके, आई एम ऑल्सो ट्राइंग टू लॉग इन एज अदर यूजर्स। हाउ टू लॉग इन एज अदर यूजर्स? यहाँ पर देखिए। So यहाँ पर देखिए, I am logging as other users. What is my name? I am just checking how many users are available in the system. Suresh is also there. See here, I am logging as Rajesh G. Okay, कहाँ पर लॉगिंग हो ये सब बाद में पता चलेगा. So Rajesh is coming to root directory ls. यहाँ पर Rajesh is creating a file. Okay, क्यों नहीं होगा? mk okay. mkdir shared disk. So यहाँ पर ओके ऑलरेडी शेयर डिर के नाम में है शेयर डिर. ओके यहाँ पर देयर इज नो डेटा rm-rf. ओके सो नाउ सुरेश जी देखिए, श्रीकांत जी देखिए, फ्रॉम राजेश लॉगिन आई एम गोइंग इनटू शेयर डिर. वहां पर मैं लॉगिन होने के लिए मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ देखिए, यहाँ पर कुछ डेटा नहीं है. यहाँ पर मैं अपने आप से राजेश फाइल 1 बोल के डेटा क्रिएट कर रहा हूँ. ओके राजेश फाइल 1 का डेटा के लिए यहाँ पर मैं एक फाइल क्रिएट कर रहा हूँ, नाम है राजेश फाइल 1. इसमें डेटा दिस इज राजेश फाइल 1 डेटा. ये डेटा मैंने क्रिएट किया है और सेव कर रखा है. आप देख सकते हैं डेटा फाइल क्रिएट हो गया. एंड इसका परमिशंस भी देख लीजिए. परमिशंस ये है परमिशंस, देखते हो यही परमिशंस है. ओके नाउ आई विल लॉग इन. नाउ आई विल लॉग इन एज ए डिफरेंट यूजर, सुरेश यूजर. आपको दिखाने के लिए कर रहा हूँ. यहाँ पर देखिए दिस इज द डेटा. यहाँ पर मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, सुरेश लॉगिन कर रहा हूँ. ये अदर यूजर है. तो यहाँ पर देखिए he is going into the same share directory. यहाँ पर देखो he is trying chmod o-r. ओके यहाँ पर देखिए राजेश फाइल 1 का डेटा यहाँ पर दिख रहा है. कैन सुरेश डायरेक्ट यूजर कैन ओपन दिस. आपको यहाँ पर मैसेज मिल रहा है कैन राजेश फाइल 1 कैन नॉट बी ओपन. श्रीकांत जी ये है सिक्योरिटी. श्रीकांत
यस सर यस सर.
एक फाइल जो दूसरे यूजर ने क्रिएट किया है, दूसरा कोई भी उसको टच नहीं कर पाएगा, मतलब रीड नहीं कर पाएगा. समझ में आ गया श्रीकांत?
यस सर.
ये है सिक्योरिटी. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? ये है सिक्योरिटी. ओके श्रीकांत, सुरेश अंडरस्टूड? सुरेश समझ में आ गया आपको? सुरेश
Yes, sir. Yes, I got it.
तो दिस इज द थिंग. सिक्योरिटी क्या है सब कुछ मैंने मेंशन किया है. प्रोग्रामिंग फैसिलिटी, शेल स्क्रिप्टिंग, ये सब है. ओके सो सुरेश इट इज ऑलरेडी 9:06. ओके I will end the class today. Any doubts from today's session? Any have you understood the session, Suresh?
Yeah, I understood, sir. It's all repeated for me again.
Repeat it only because the new person has joined, so I have to repeat
Yes,
that.
yes,
Okay?
yes, yes.
श्रीकांत जी
No
आपको
problem.
समझ में आ गया? श्रीकांत जी
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
समझ में आ गया? ओके
Yes,
आज
sir,
का
I got
क्लास
it.
हो गया सर. ओके आज का क्लास यही एंड है सर. कल 8 o'clock.
Okay sir.
See you
Okay, sir.
tomorrow. Shrikant
See.
and Suresh. Okay.
Sir.
Okay, Suresh,
Okay, sir.
tomorrow we will see a little more, and if possible, we'll start with the installation of the operating system tomorrow.
Tomorrow, okay.
Yes, that's important thing because installation ho raha hai to then we'll start with the basic commands and all. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay, Suresh. See you. End of the
Yeah,
session.
see you. Good night, sir.
Good night. Good night.